Let's go.
Hey paddlers, it's Dawid Mocke, and I'm here to give you the top tips for the World Surf Ski Champs in Durban in October 2025. Hey paddlers, it's Dawid here with the top tips for the ICF Ocean Racing World Championships in Durban in October this year. Let's talk about my top tips for the first turn can. Folks, when you get to the first turn can, there's going to be tons of paddlers still in the mix there. It's going to be a big bunch up. Remember, there are a few hundred paddlers going to one point. You're either going to turn left or you're going to turn right, depending which way the wind's blowing. Either way, you're going to be turning around a buoy. You're going to make sure that you got clean water. Okay, clean water. There's going to be a bunch up. Someone is going to be right next to you. Okay, be ready for that. And it's not their fault. There's other people right there. It's pointless shouting at somebody. Just you can give them a heads up, a little bit of water. But basically, the way that you get around that first turn can is you keep paddling. You paddle your way out of trouble. So get a nice line. You don't have to be on the buoy. Sometimes it's actually better to be a little bit off the buoy and have clean water and have a cleaner start. So that's my top tip for the first turn can. Find clean water, keep paddling forward, don't stop, and enjoy your race.